So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete connections on Zoho CRM platform. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website and log into your account right here. After that select this profile icon and now go with this option right here called Access Zoho CRM. Now select this settings icon right here. And now select this right here. Now as you can see I have one connection. So guys, you have to put your cursor on your connection and after that you can see this icon right here. Click on this and now select yes delete button. And just like that, now you guys have successfully deleted your connection from your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can also able to delete your connection on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.